The price of gold futures touched 60,000 rupees per 10 grams today. I am your host, Smriti Chaudhary, and we have with us Mr. Ashish Pethe, partner at Waman Pethe Jewelers. Hello, sir. Welcome.
Hello.
We'll jump right into it. Sir, what do you think about the demand for gold now as prices have touched, the future price has touched 60,000 levels? What do you think?
Right. Uh, Generally, what I've seen in my experience that whenever there is any sudden fluctuation in price, may it be on the positive side or on the negative side, even if the prices go down drastically in a short span of time, the consumers or end customers are generally going to a mode of wait and watch. So that's what we are seeing again this time. The prices have shot up from say 55, 56 to suddenly close to 60,000. And it is actually a busy season time where Gudi Padwa and Akshaya Tritiya is also approaching. But we are seeing that the customers are waiting on the sidelines for either the price correction or prices to stabilize. Even if the prices stabilize around 60,000, I think the customers will come in. Yeah.
Do you see this affecting the demand for jewelry in India? You mentioned about the festivals. Is that going to have a positive impact on the demand? Or do you think the prices are going to maybe affect the demand this time? And
Right. I think if you look at the last 10 years history, the prices have moved from say around 28, 30,000 to now 60,000. There has been pandemic and shutdown in certain months of the year. But what I've observed is that the demand or the import in India has stayed around 700 to 800 tons, which means the overall annual demand has been steady, even if the prices are going up or down. It's within the year that the sale tunes towards when the prices are low, or when the prices are higher they tune to go down. But overall in a year they average out, and we have a normalized sale. So similarly, if the prices are around 60,000 and people are staying on the sidelines, once the prices stabilize or they come down a little, the next few months will compensate for this loss of sale, because people have weddings at home or festivities, so they will buy whatever they want to buy, but they want to time it according to their understanding. So overall, the sale will happen. Maybe it will be pushed by a month.
okay, that can happen. The price can
Yeah.
actually have a negative impact on the demand. What do you
Yeah.
see the impact on demand for bullion and coins?
Uh, Whenever the prices are steadily going up, not the wild fluctuations, I'm saying, whenever they are steadily going up, the demand for bullion substantially goes up. Overall, the in the gem and jewelry market, the gold bullion is around 5 to 10% of the overall gold demand. That the investment demand we call it, or the bullion demand as you are calling it. So it is between 5 to 10%. And as the prices are steadily going up, we are seeing the bullion demand slowly going up in recent past.
Okay. So, do you think since the price of gold has been consistently increasing this year and in a short span of time with global financial, economic issues and banking turmoil, do you think we don't know how long this turmoil is going to last? It could last a couple of months or maybe a couple of days,
Right.
and things will rest out. What do you think for the next couple of? Do you think that even if the demand falls, it'll for jewelry I'm talking about, will it get covered in the next festive season, maybe around Diwali?
Right. I think the even if the demand is low currently, it will be compensated in the coming festival like Akshaya Tritiya. We may have a substantially higher sales. I will give you a small example. When pandemic stuck, we closed almost for 4 to 5 months. So in that year, in the year 2020, the demand for gold, which was for the imports, I would say, were around 300 tons, which is an all-time low. But in 2021, the pent-up demand came in, and the demand was at an all-time high of 1,000 tons plus. So this phenomena we have seen. So I think the Akshaya Tritiya will be much bigger than the regular Akshaya Tritiya. if the Gudi Padwa is going little slow.
All right, great. Thank you so much, sir. It was great talking to you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you.